Hey there, welcome back to another installment of Saving Solar Grease. In this episode, we'll be covering the final glass layup on the rear section of the bottom of the hull. If you enjoy our videos and you haven't subscribed as yet, would you please hit that subscribe button and leave a like. It goes a long way to helping our channel out, and we really appreciate it. Thank you in advance and enjoy the video.
No, rest it down in the middle there where no dust is.
Ow! I gotta get used to this now that this is in. Don't need no more scars on my bald head. Yep, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, all right, one side done, straight to the stern, done up to the bottom where the stringer meets the hull, to the bottom of this bulkhead, and it's overlapping keel here. Our roller cloth wasn't wide enough to incorporate this piece, so we'll just got an extra piece for that. Then we're gonna do this side and same thing over there, and then we're gonna cut a strip and wrap the keel, and then we'll be done with this portion of the hull. Done. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna seal all this up with some gel coat, because from this point on we're doing a lot of sanding and walking about, and we don't need the sticky surface, and it's just gonna get ruined. We're gonna have to seal it and sand it eventually anyway when we're ready. So just gonna get it out of the way now so you can keep everything look clean, you know. So here you notice the keel is already wrapped. Tiny did it off camera. So yeah, just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. One step closer.